Welcome to the world of compact discs or CDs. Let's dive into how these fascinating pieces of technology came to be and how they work. Compact discs are made using polycarbonate plastic and aluminum. Polycarbonate plastic is injected into a mold under high pressure to form a disc shape. A reflective aluminum layer is added, and a laser etches microscopic pits into the surface that represent binary data, ones and zeros. The data is etched onto the surface with a high-powered laser. The player uses a laser to detect light variations caused by the pits and lands on the disc, converting those into binary data. The laser in the CD player reads the pits, which are indentations, and the lands, which are flat areas on the disc. As the laser hits a pit, the light scatters, creating a low reflectance area, while lands reflect light in a highly focused manner, representing digital data. CDs are widely used for storing music, software, and even video games. They can store up to 700 megabytes of data. Common uses include holding compressed data and audio formats like MP3 or PCM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into everyday technology. Welcome to our next segment where we explore the intricate world of eyeglass lenses. Eyeglass lenses are precision engineered using materials like polycarbonate. These materials are cut to specific prescriptions using CNC machines and then coated for added functionality, such as anti-glare or scratch resistance. Lenses focus light to correct vision by using the principles of light refraction, bending light to focus correctly on the retina. Concave lenses diverge light, helpful for nearsightedness or myopia, while convex lenses converge light for farsightedness or hyperopia. Advanced lenses can use aspheric designs to reduce distortion and enhance visual clarity. Eyeglasses are used for various purposes, such as reading, driving, or protecting your eyes from digital screen strain. Eyeglass lenses are tailored for specific needs, bifocals for both near and far vision, progressive lenses for seamless transitions, and lenses with coatings for UV protection and blue light filtering. Today let's talk about something we all use but rarely think about: nail clippers. Nail clippers are made from stainless steel, forged for strength, and precisely sharpened for clean and easy trimming. The lever mechanism amplifies the force, allowing the sharp blades to cut through nails with ease. Nail clippers are essential tools for hygiene and grooming, with specialized models for nails, cuticles, or even toenails. Used daily for personal grooming, nail clippers are essential in maintaining nail hygiene and shape. Paper sculptures are created by cutting, folding, and gluing paper, layering each piece for complexity and dimension. Techniques like scoring, folding, and embossing give paper sculptures their lifelike texture and intricate designs. Paper sculptures are displayed in galleries, used in education, and serve as design prototypes. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. See you next time. Welcome to our next segment on metal water filters. Stay tuned to discover how these innovative filters can provide clean and safe drinking water. Metal water filters use fine mesh screens made from stainless steel or aluminum to remove impurities from water. The metal is crafted into a mesh with specific pore sizes designed to filter out larger particles, sediment, and other impurities. The filter is then housed in a casing that can be cleaned and reused. This process ensures that you have a durable and efficient solution for clean water. Water flows through the metal mesh where contaminants such as dirt, sand, and rust are trapped in the pores. The mesh can be cleaned and reused, making it an eco-friendly solution. Water passes through the filter, with the metal mesh trapping impurities and leaving clean water behind. These filters are ideal for home filtration systems, portable water filters for outdoor use, and industrial filtration applications, where large volumes of water need to be purified. Used in homes' industrial settings and even camping, metal filters provide an efficient and sustainable way to purify water. Water flowing through the filter, transitioning to a brand or product name. Subscribe. We've explored the technology behind CDs, eyeglass lenses, nail clippers, paper sculptures, and metal water filters, from their creation to their practical uses. These products not only shape our everyday lives, but also incorporate advanced technical designs that make them reliable, efficient, and innovative.